Another Burmese python was spotted along Imphal riverbank adjacent to Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. As per information received by SK Television News, a similar Burmese python was sighted on March 11 in the vicinity. Reportedly, locals apprehended the python and promptly notified the police. Subsequently, the python was entrusted to the care of members from the Iroisemba Manipur Zoological Garden. Besides, the Burmese python sighted on March 11 at the same spot was larger and had a different pattern on its tail compared to the one observed today. Unfortunately, the python disappeared while locals were in the process of informing the experts. People from Animals Manipur, in collaboration with the Forest Department, employed a sniffer dog to locate the python, but it proved elusive and could not be traced. People for Animals Manipur also expressed the necessity to thoroughly survey the area, considering the possibility that the pythons sighted on different days may be distinct individuals. They also commended the public for providing information about the endangered species, highlighting the importance of preserving it without resorting to lethal measures.